to get on a train. Yay! And we're on our way to New York. I'm so excited. And I got 4 hours of sleep, almost 5 I think. So I have like really bad bags under my eyes, but I'm like wide awake. I've drank 2 coffees. So it's really loud.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it just got louder. Look, Jenna's peeling. Yeah. Hey, now it's my turn to make fun of y'all.
Hey,
I want in here.
2 rows on it.
I'm wearing holes in my jeans and I can feel every single piece of wind, not piece of wind, but you know what I mean.
Well, you know we told you to dress warm.
Okay, yeah, you did.
Just don't listen.
Hey, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt under this sweatshirt and this jacket, so at least my arms are warm.
Okay, look, I got a toboggan, 2 jackets, and a long sleeve shirt on.
Holy crap. Jenna cried yesterday. Jenna, tell them about your experience.
Tell them about your feet. My feet were white. And they hurt.
It was wonderful. My hands are... Miss Sharp, how do you feel about this trip so far?
Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun.
Michaela,
Well,
you're dying inside, aren't you?
yes, I am dying.
She is one sick little puppy.
You get to stay with us tonight.
Yay.
If you throw up,
I'll
we're
get
kicking you
sleep.
out.
Yep.
We're
I'll
sending
get
you with
sleep.
Abby and Jenna, okay?
I get sleep.
If you throw up, we're sleeping in the hall.
Ooh, it's so cold.
We're in New York. We
love
made
this.
it.
Oh, yeah, I was like, what are you doing?
Look at this. You know it's real when you see the I Heart New York t-shirts. That's when you know you're in New York. Oh, I like that sweatshirt. Let's go get one. Right now? Yeah, for real. I want the red one.
Okay, I wanted the blue one.
Bet. Oh, I don't like the red one.
You can get a blue one, I don't care.
I think I might get a blue one.
You're gonna say something before you walk off.
Oh, sorry. We're
Ding
getting
dong.
this sweatshirt. Hey, vlog.
Hello.
We're like 5 minutes into New York and we've already been harassed by someone.
Yeah, it's fine.
And I gave him $1.
And Allie felt bad for him.
I feel bad. Like, I'm scared. I don't like it here
was fake.
at all. It's scary. I don't like these people walking up to me and
Well, ignore him. It won't play.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I cannot. We're about to get some food
I'm not getting any food.
and we're gonna go somewhere else soon. We're still like in the
At the train station.
at the train station. We haven't went above ground yet, but I think we're going soon. What?
Are we getting on this?
I don't know. Whatever Bob does, we do.
Oh, we?
Yeah. We're on the subway. And I saw a rat.
I saw a rat.
Oh my god, it's a rat. It's a rat. Oh my god, it's a rat. Disgusting.
I'm really scared to death.
How you feel? No emotion?
I feel so much better.
Do you really feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Michaela threw up. I think we already said that, but
Michaela
we're just
threw
gonna
up.
state it again.
5 times.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Hey, Alex. My hero.
We're on the ferry. Derek Shepherd would be proud. Alright, I believe we're in Times Square.
Probably not.
Is this Broadway?
Honey, you're asking all of her.
Ashley? Is this
I
Broadway?
just don't know. That's for Presley Horton right there.
Oh, shout out to Prince.
Presley, I love you.
Is this where we're going to see the...
Yeah.
This is Broadway?
Yep.
Whoa.
Really? That's what you said.
It's so like lit up. Alright, so now we're at Broadway, about to watch Aladdin, and Ashley's editing a photo. I'm excited. I'm gonna try and film a little bit of it. If it's looking like that, I don't want to go. Probably won't be very good quality.
Where enchantment runs rampant, it's wild the streets, open sesame, here we go. See the dervishes dancing ridiculous pants, then roll on to your heart's delight. Got ourselves on service. You're the boss, the king, the shot. Say what you wish, it's yours, finish. How about a little more baklava?
We just got back from 99-cent pizza, and we got it after we finished the Broadway show, and the Broadway show is actually really good. Like
Overall, not excited about this.
About what?
The pizza.
Yeah, the pizza was not good, but the show was good. This room is so small, like compared to our other room, and then this is the bathroom, like right here, and it's small, and it's just like.
We have a Keurig though.
So.
Yeah.
Oh, we
Don't
do?
drink coffee.
I bet we don't have any Keurig things.
There are Keurig things.
At
No,
first reserve.
that's about it right now. You got anything?
I just don't want to go to Florence because I hate all y'all.
Well, that was really sweet.
Yeah.
Ashley has no input. Whoa, what did I just discover? Ashley's big. Oh no.
Apparently it's from Maine.
Wow, we'll be in Maine on
I have to
Friday.
pee so bad, but I want to finish eating.
I need to go take a shower, but I just don't want to. Good morning, vlog. My hair looks bad.
Okay.
Mom had it in a braid yesterday, and I took it down, and like, look at. I look like I have an afro, don't I?
So when we get
Good morning. We're waiting in line for the shuttle bus to take us to Hermit's Road. So we're at one of the stops on the bus, and we got to see this, and you can see part of the Colorado River, and it's like tiny compared to all of this, and it's weird to think that one river carved this whole entire thing. It's insane, but it's really cool and humbling because it's like I'm tiny, like I don't.
little ants crawling around the surface.
It's weird, and you don't think of it until you see something that big. I have the same size hands as a 10-year-old.
Who are you talking to?
The vlog.
Oh, hi. We just saw a mine.
Oh yeah. Do you remember what it was? What they mined?
I think it was a copper mine.
Uranium, I think.
Uranium.
Yeah.
Copper.
Oh, both.
What I want to know is how they get down there.
Me too, man.
I know.
Because it's really steep.
Yeah, I don't know how they do it.
So after this, we're going to drive out of the park and head down to Four Corners.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to Cortez and after, it's like a town by Mesa Verde, and we're going to go
Which
to
is,
that.
what is Mesa Verde?
It's where Native Americans used to live. They're cliff dwellings that they left, and we don't know. And then after that, I think it's gonna be tomorrow though, but we're gonna go on a Durango train.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for
Then we're
that.
gonna go to Pagosa Springs, and then after that we're going home.
Yep.
And then you're going to fly to your house.
Yeah, sadly.
No! Hey Kylie,
Are you vlogging?
how was the bus ride in Grand Canyon?
It was great. It was crowded.
Yeah? How about you? What was your favorite part on the bus ride?
Good!
What was your favorite part? I don't know. Mine was, I think, seeing the
Abandoned mine?
the Mine, yep.
Yeah, that's mine too.
We're heading to Cortez. We didn't get to see the
I'm
Four
putting that
Corners
in
yet.
there. That's gonna be on YouTube.
We were gonna go to Four Corners, but we didn't get time to.
Yeah, because it closes at 5.
Yes, and it's 4:17.
Face this way. Start.
Right.
Start. Yeah, there you go.
Are you
Go
ready?
slow until we say go.
A little faster. A little faster. A little faster. Go, go.
I can't. Hold on. Like
You-
yours.
Garrett's ripping it. Ow. Maggie wins the stage.
I went faster than her.
YouTube. Go check the room. Make sure everything's out.
Wow, 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 yeah, wow, wow, yeah, wow. Good morning. We are in Walmart because we had to get some snacks and Maggie needs a coat because it's gonna get colder the more we're getting away from the Grand Canyon. Today we're going to Mesa Verde, however you say it, to look at the cliff dwellings from the Indians, the Pueblo Indians. I think it's the Pueblos. I don't know for sure. But then we're going to Durango tomorrow.
Silverton.
And we're gonna ride the 5-hour train. And then we're going to Pagosa Springs to have a relaxing day in the hot springs. It's gonna be amazing. But I think I'm gonna get this shirt that says born and raised in Colorado.
We just got finished from Walmart. We
Yeah.
had to go there to get snacks and me a coat and sweatshirt. I only got a sweatshirt that had no coats.
What snacks did you get?
We got goldfish, s'mores.
Yum.
We got red velvet Oreos.
Double yum.
We got these Aiken bars. Atkins.
That's what
Duke,
Aunt Sherry and I have up here.
Duke shorty sausages.
Oh, hey Maggie, will you get in there and find that little hippopotamus deal? My cord saver thing? I want to make sure.
Your what thing?
Cord saver, the hippopotamus deal.
This?
No, it's a hippopotamus. Meg, it's on the little. What did you get at Walmart, Garrett?
This thing? Sunglasses?
Oh,
Not
yeah.
this thing?
No, but you can hand that up. We'll take that.
This, Mom? It's pink.
No. Nope.
Can you read the boxes?
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
This thing?
Yes.
Garrett, give Garrett the bag.
Mom, this
No,
thing?
it is, yes.
Mom, we got a bunch of snacks for our trip.
I bet you I did.
And we had to go try and get me a new coat, but we didn't find any. Because I left my coat at a hotel. Garrett got new sunglasses here. They already know, you weirdo. Tomorrow we're going to go to Pagosa Springs. Today is my mom's birthday, so comment down below and tell her happy birthday. Alright, well, bye.
We're at the top of a mountain. We're at Mesa Verde.
8,000 feet, we can't breathe.
We're used to Alabama air, and we're like dying because we can't breathe the air. You're a mile and a half high. Are you excited, Mom?
Yes.
Maggie, what are you doing?
Oh, I think I know why.
Why?
I went someplace during the drought season and I found that it was a good place, so I stayed there. Oh, so one reason they probably left was because they found more water. But I wish they came back. That'd be so
Yeah,
super cool.
it would be really cool to
To
talk
like
to them.
ask them questions and watch them do their thing, you know,
Yeah.
and like maybe live with them for a few days.
I
Like,
wanna-
stay- like you could camp here and go down.
I want to hear them talk in their language, their native languages.
I wish that we could learn the Native American language.
Yeah, I
So
bet
we
it
could
would
like
be.
speak with them.
I bet it would be really hard though. But we just went to the Mesa Verde.
Cliff
dwelling. Yeah, we saw the cliff dwellings, and then we went to the museum, and we watched this. Yeah, it was really cool. We watched this video of them talking about Mesa Verde and all the really cool stuff, and it talked about.
We are gonna go see Cliff Palace, and we'll see you later. All right, hi guys again. We're hiking down to Cliff Palace. Did they leave? Nope.
You can zoom in after you take the picture. You're messing around. There you go.
We went shopping here in Durango after we went to Mesa Verde. After we went shopping, then we were done shopping. We went and ate dinner.
Yep.
Now we're heading to our hotel. And I got some stuff.
What'd you get?
My mom got some tea. At this one place, I got this really cool tie-dye Durango, Colorado peaches. I got this really cool pineapple sequin queen pouch.
Garrett, what'd you get?
I got a multiple thing. Has like pocket knife sauce and bunch of stuff.
I got a t-shirt and Mom got a sweatshirt. Tomorrow we're getting up early and we're gonna go on a train ride. Yep. It's 2.5 hours there and 2.5 hours back. And
About 5 hours. Bye, vlog.
look at how close I am. Does it look like I want to catch a disease?
I'm gonna try to catch it.
You go try.
KK.
She's gonna try and catch it. I was so close to it. It's too early and it's cold.
It is.
And we're about to go even colder.
Now he's ready to chase after a bird.
That was funny. Is this where the massacre happened?
Massacre? Massacre?
Yeah. No, this is Quincy Market. Well, yeah. Behind that is the Quincy Market, so we just ate there. And you already know your girl hit up a Croc store because Ashley found it because she's the plug.
It's a Croc store. A pair of Crocs.
You already know I bought Crocs. I only bought two.
Currently in Boston.
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 We're in Boston. Boston. Miss Chandler, where are we? Say Boston.
That's fast.
Baston.
Baskin. Baskin Robbins.
Oh.
Ooh, there's a bag of poop.
No. That's disgusting. Hey vlog. Hannah, you're glowing. You look good.
Look at that chin.
But we just got out of a Catholic church. It was really pretty in there.
And I saw a hot guy.
Yeah, he was pretty hot. And
I was like, just make sure he didn't see me.
TMI, but literally this whole trip I've done nothing but fart.
Oh, really?
Actually, I might edit that out because that's kind of nasty. If Kylie edits this, she won't edit it out, but it's fun.
We haven't.
Allie has pooped everywhere we've been, every hotel, the train.
That I went into.
No,
The
I
plane.
didn't.
Okay, because I didn't know.
Everything.
We've been playing Guy in a Suit, Dog, earbuds,
earpods,
Yellow Card,
Beats, headphones.
Yeah.
Headphones.
Cheese Squeeze. That's a very interesting game. We'll teach you how.
What else?
So-
the dogs. And then
You see this yellow sign back here? You go cheese squeeze, yellow sign.
Cheese squeeze.
Yeah, see? For example, and Hannah just holds on to my arm so she can get me instantly. She's a little snake.
No, it's because I love you.
This is the tallest building actually. And where are we? New England. Like it's tall.
We're in Boston.
No, New England is what it's called though. I think. Wait, what'd you say?
We're in Boston.
Hey, we're taking over the vlog.
We're taking over.
Yeah, this is.
Hannah.
Yeah, this is our channel.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, you gotta comment down below.
We're better
So
vloggers than Allie, anyways.
We're better than
They probably
well.
I'll let Hannah say it. Cheese squeeze.
Hey!
Go on the buck.
Get a banana, get a fish.
Come here, Allie. Come here, Allie Green. Come here.
Vlogging before we go in. Is this gonna be fun?
It's gonna be super fun. It's so cheesy and so cute.
I'm excited. Are you excited for this?
And Allie Green has to sit between us because, you know.
I don't know. If they call me up there, I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm very awkward, so this is gonna be weird. Okay, we're going down. We're gonna die.
Hey vlog. Allie doesn't know how to run right now. Hey, look at my Beyonce. She's so cute. We're at Cheer Madness. Who done it? You know. I'm excited. She's with mommy. And
We're not supposed to video down here?
oh yeah, that's right. Gotta go vlog.
Good morning, vlog. We are currently in New Hampshire, and we have been on a bus for what, like
30 minutes.
Not long. And we have a 6-hour ride, and we're currently
And it could easily be 3.
we're currently shopping, and we're gonna go get lunch. Kind of, probably not, but I'll just show y'all what it looks like. So we finally got lunch, and look, my hot dog has a little thing on the I don't know why, that just cracks me up.
The fries are so hot. They're so hot.
They're good. Did I say you can have one? Jade, what you got over there?
Hello? Hello?
What? How's that burger? We're just taking a quick beach trip.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
He's in there pooping and he didn't even freaking lock the door.
Actually, you're missing the view. Okay, Ashley just doesn't care. Okay, vlog. So we are in Portland.
It's like the best freaking city ever, or best thing of this whole trip.
Michaela wants to move here.
I want to move here, but I want to come back here.
Michaela just wants to stay here forever.
I just want to stay forever.
But we're currently watching SpongeBob, and we're gonna go eat later
The best
at a seafood.
lobster ever.
Yeah, for real.
It's so good. Like, I don't know how y'all don't like seafood.
I just don't. Our Alfredo's gonna be like $1 less than what it would be just to have like shrimp in it.
Oh, that's fine. Because, I mean, if we're splitting it, it doesn't matter.
True. Okay, well that's about it. I'll vlog later.
No, here. Let me do a slow motion.
Y'all are insane.
Oh, yeah?
But here's some of our food. We've already ate basically all of it. Really? But that's okay. Me and Paige had like this big thing that we chowed down really quick.
It was Alfredo. It was fettuccine Alfredo.
Yeah, we're at a seafood restaurant. We just got regular Alfredo because we don't like seafood.
Maggie, where are we going?
Oh, to the Durango train?
Yep, over there. We're on the train.
To Silverton.
Yep. No, not to Silverton. No, to Cascade.
Oh, we're not going all the way to Silverton.
No.
I forgot about that.
We're about to, I guess, take off. Ew, you just stuck your finger in my ear. We flipped the seat around so that we can face each other, so now I'm sitting next to Maggie. But this little book that we have shows where to take photo ops. Or photo ops to take pictures. So it has this whole list. And there's this open train gondola thing.
So when we go to the picture thing, we're gonna walk up there and like take a picture.
Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited. We're being pulled by a genuine 1923 coal train.
Coal fire.
Coal fire.
Steam.
It's like takes 5 tons of coal, and this one guy is like shoveling it all, which is crazy. And these windows open, and he said that little cinders of coal will come out, so that's interesting. Train, and we've been going for like a long time, and
Now
all of
we're
a sudden
slowly going back,
the train just stopped,
and then now we're going backwards.
and
I don't know what's going on.
yeah, but I don't know what's happening. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Look, we're going on other tracks. You know what, this might be Cascade Canyon this way.
I don't know.
Oh, is that it? Oh, it is. Oh, look at the picnic tables.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna stop here, so that's what we're doing.
Okay,
Now
we're not stranded.
We just got off the train and we're eating lunch. It's really pretty. The train is gorgeous.
There's the engine.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Okie dokie
Is there a hole? Twice in a row now. Twilight, you had something that sounds like an explosion.
So, what just happened?
I think a damn rock fell off the cliff at the top of the car. Snow went everywhere.
Yeah, I can't tell what you can see, but we're on this train and a rock or something fell down, and a bunch of snow and stuff got in the train car. Oh my gosh.
The Durango train.
It was really cool because there was an open car, and so we got to go stand on it.
And so the coolest thing was we could walk between cars.
Yes, it was. I wanted to vlog it, but I was like kind of scared too because it was hard and it was really shaky. But at one point when we were coming back, this big huge chunk of ice or a rock or something fell off the mountain on top of our train car, and Maggie and Garrett and Aunt Lisa were at the open car, so they didn't see it, but me and Mom were like scared, and everyone in our car was like, oh, what was that? And it was really loud. I thought there was about to be an avalanche and we were gonna get buried. It was pretty scary. We are at the hot springs, decked out in our robes.
Front of us with your camera.
Good morning, vlog. But we're heading to the springs again. We're gonna grab some breakfast first. But today's our last day. Not really. Tomorrow we're going
we're staying the whole day at their house, but it's the last day of the road trip, I should say. Oh my gosh. It's snow. So we are on our way home, and it's not really even snowing, but the wind is blowing the snow that's already on the side of the roads into the road, and so there's patches of it where you can barely see the road. And right now we're stopped because we think there was an accident, but we don't know for sure, and we've just been sitting here. So, but I have the giggles.
There's nothing like a really dangerous situation when I giggle.
We're currently in the hotel at Maine. Good morning. And today we get like a free day, and I have no idea what we're gonna do. Do y'all know what we're gonna do today?
Shop till we drop.
Where are we shopping at? I got some new Crocs. I think I already showed them, but I'm Ka-chow.
This breakfast is the best breakfast I've ever ate.
Michaela like overflowed her coffee and
Well,
then poured
I
it
thought
on
it was
herself.
freaking milk, and then I put the wrong sugar in there. So it's disgusting.
Ugh, I look amazing this morning. Just a little preview. Hey, Hamana. Hamana. Say good morning to the vlog. Say good morning to the vlog, Grandma Namana. Good morning, Maine. It's a beautiful rainy day, and we're out here gift shopping.
I'm actually kind of liking it, so I'm okay.
Yeah, it feels amazing out here.
It does.
It was so windy and cold yesterday, but now it feels great. And we're here with Lexi, Paige, and Lydia.
I'm always with these.
Yeah, we're having a blast. My hair's gonna be super frizzy. I straightened it, but it's not gonna last for long. It's fun.
Hood on.
Yeah, let me just put up my imaginary hood real quick.
I'm wearing Boston and Maine.
Yeah, she's wearing Boston, I'm wearing New York. Olive! Yeah, I do your Boston accent when you say it. Olive!
I love it here.
Yeah, I'll show y'all what it looks like a little bit.
I might just move here when I get out of college.
Maine?
Yes.
I'll go to Boston, not
love
Maine.
Maine.
All right, we're on our way to the airport, and we're in a shuttle. We are the first shuttle. Sean, say hey to the vlog.
Hey to the blog.
That's a vlog. We're about to go to
Home.
We're about to go to Maine to Baltimore,
And then
we have to
Baltimore to
catch another
Nashville.
one. Yeah, Baltimore to Nashville.
And then Nashville to home.
We're currently in the airport. Hey, I forgot to vlog anytime after we got off the bus. So I am now, and we don't leave until
How are these fresh?
5 o'clock. We got here at what, like 2:30, and our plane doesn't leave.
It was like 2:15.
And our plane doesn't leave until 5:05, and right now it's 3. So we still have 2 more hours. No, wait, yeah, 2 more hours until our plane leaves, and we're just doing nothing. Literally nothing. Michaela just recently started watching our videos, and she's liking them, so that's just a plus.
But I'm mad because I'm not in them.
Hey. We just don't talk about that. We're on our way back onto our first plane.
About to get on it.
You best believe I'm gonna sleep this whole way. I say that and I'm just gonna be wide awake. Yeah, we're about to board, and I'm gonna have to turn my phone off in a minute, but I'll try and vlog when we're in the sky. We're off the first plane.
We didn't die.
Going to the next. I'm hungry, but we're not allowed to get any food. So that's a great experience.
That's what we think. We don't know. I got a pee though.
How'd you like that flight?
Good, because I got sit behind you.
Pilot.
No, the pilot was pretty cute.
I know, I looked
He
down
had
and I
a
was
little
like,
bit of gray hair, but he was fine. And I shook his hand. I said, "Thank you for the flight." Or no. I said, "Thank you for the ride."
We're on the last plane to Nashville.
Oh.
I just don't think that God's back.
I'm so ready to be home. Me too. Grandma, are you ready to be home?
Absolutely.
Okay, we're in Nashville. Sorry it's brought.
It's okay.
But
And I got stuck with Michaela.
we're almost there, Michaela. 2 more
Let's
hours.
get this Salem bus going.
Hey, sorry it's brought. Bye, Miss Chan Chan.
Bye guys, love you guys.
Good night.
Hello vlog. We've just been chilling and hanging out and just relaxing on our last day because we're leaving really early tomorrow. We're leaving here at like 5:30. But one thing that no one tells you when you come to Colorado or anywhere with a higher altitude is that it's so hard to breathe. Like I just walked across the house and I'm out of breath because it feels like you can't get air in your lungs, and it's so annoying because it's like you're constantly going and like even when I did that I still don't feel like I have air in my lungs. Our trip has been really good. Like I've had the best time. I don't really have much else to say. I'm just really grateful that I got to go on this trip at all and hang out with my family who I love very, very much. I don't want to leave. I miss Allie and all my friends, but I don't want to leave. Bye.
A couple favorites. If you have anything on it, please.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye vlog.